So I just picked up this Bauer belt sander for one purpose and one purpose alone, to remove the weld from the seam in the square tube to allow the receiver head to slide in. So we'll see what we got here. Got a bag, adjustable head. Hopefully that thing locks down pretty solid. Seems to. Got the can for taking the belt off, and centering wheel. We'll see how that is adjusted here in a minute. Comes with a spare belt or two here. Looks like an Allen wrench and one spare belt. Might be a different grip, I don't know. Chinaman that wrapped this thing up did a right good job of it. Kind of a chintzy feeling cord that holds its shape, but the tool itself doesn't feel too bad. Relatively centered here. Pretty easy to stall the belt out. The belt slips long before the tool does. It may be able to make it tighter, although I kind of doubt that. And I still got some work to do. But that's the tool, how it's used, and that's the sort of thing it's used for, is things that you probably wouldn't use it for, stuff you can get with a regular grinder or some other kind of tool like that, but for hard to reach things like a seam inside of a tube like this. Or you just buy your tube without a weld in and do it the easy way.